not mending. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. If you're not already a NahumDrummer subscriber, please subscribe, and also go check the link in the description of any of my videos that you like my Freestyle Friday video, which I have my Sample Pad Pro, and you can go in the link in the description and find them, and they're at Amazon, and you can get them for yourself because it'll be easier than just going and typing up what you want. You can just find like these drums, these cymbals, that Sample Pad Pro, my sticks, stuff like that, and make sure to subscribe. And I'm just gonna wait here until you click that video or that video.